I'm Tammy Kolda, and this is Unlocking LaTeX Graphics. I'm going to show you how to use the node label key to add a label to a node without explicitly creating another node. Here's a simple setup. I define a style named marker that creates a small filled circle. I draw a 4x4 grid, and then I place a red marker node at 1, 1 and a blue marker node at position 3, 3. Now let's suppose I want to label these points A and B. The most straightforward way to do that is with separate node commands that place the labels above the dots that I've just drawn as nodes. So I'll paste that and compile that now. That has the desired effect, but it's a bit verbose. Another way that I can do this is via something called the label key on the node. This is a shortcut to creating these types of nodes. Let me get rid of the separate text nodes and modify the way that I create the original nodes. What's changed here is that I've added label equals A to the red node and label equals B to this blue node. The label key creates a new node above the current node with your desired text. You won't see any change here because it's doing exactly what those two separate lines did before. You can control the style of these labels via the every label style. Let me change these labels to be large, bold, and drawn with a box. Now we've changed the style of those labels. By default, the label goes above the node. Most of the time, this will be fine. If you want to change this, you can actually put a position before the text label separated by a colon. So for example, here I can type below colon, and now the node will move below the red dot. Angle numbers are also allowed, so I could also put 45 colon in front of the B label to move it to the 45-degree point on the node. So I don't have to always add label equal to every node. I can fold the label key into the marker style itself. So I already had this style I created called marker. I'm going to add label equals curly braces #1. Then I'm going to change these two lines to just directly say marker equals below A and marker equals 45B. And again, nothing has changed because I did the same thing, but with less text. Now, when I create a marker and give it an argument in brackets, that argument becomes the label text. This keeps the code clean and concise. So now you know how to use the label key to attach labels directly to nodes and fold it into a style for even cleaner code. I include a link to the overleaf document in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I also have a book, Unlocking LaTeX Graphics, available for purchase at major book retailers. Thanks for watching.